ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gangadhar Pandey, and I am a software engineer, mathematician, and electronic component designer. I have the vast experience of over 20 years in the field of engineering, mathematics, and teaching. So today I have decided that I should also launch my own YouTube channel where I'll be teaching the students about the various different kind of programming languages. And today our theme is we are starting programming language Python. And Python is a very powerful programming language, and it's very capable. And these days, Python is making quite a name for itself, and the waves across all kind of the possible domains like the server-side applications, machine learning, artificial intelligence, web application with the Django, automations, data mining, and the data analysis, big data analysis. And the most beautiful part of the Python is its simplicity and the way it handles the complex situations. You might have heard about the other programming languages like the Java, Visual Basics, and the others, and they all are damn big softwares. They take a lot of hardware resources of the machine. They need a lot of RAM and a lot of strong computing power. But the Python is more and more stronger. I can say this is I have observed that it is the strongest of all the programming languages. It's capable and it runs smoothly even on the minimal hardware. This is what my own personal experience is that. So I would suggest that anyone from the age of 8 9 can start learning Python. It's very simple and very powerful. Slowly after this we will introduce more applications about the animation creations and automations along with the neural networks, TensorFlow, etc. So we are starting initially with the programming language introductions. So I'll suggest this download the programming language and the Python. First you have to download the Python from the websites Python. So I type Python dot. I have already downloaded this, but you can go to the visit to the website, and this is the Python software foundation websites where you can download the software. It's free. If you want to help them, you can donate little, or it's just free. After downloading the and installations of this Python software, you need a text editor just like Sublime Text or the Visual Studio text editors or any other. But I'll suggest that you also go for the PyCharm, and which is the very powerful and works very efficiently along with this. So for that you have to visit the PyCharm. Yes, this is the PyCharm, and hmm, I reached to this Wikipedia, from where I click on this link and go to the JetBrains. It is developed and designed by the JetBrains, and this is your PyCharm. So it has got the different versions of the PyCharm, and now you can install for Windows or Mac and whatever. Like here, this PyCharm Professional. This is not free. You have to pay for this, and either the short range trial version is available. But if you go for the learning process, I'll suggest you go for PyCharm Community Edition, and this Community Edition here is free. So after downloading and installing on your machines, you will find that it actually works like this. So here I go into my launchpad, and then you will find that PyCharm is there. So now I write PyCharm. or you can go directly and start from here, PyCharm. So after downloading this PyCharm application, you can create your applications. Mm, so now here, and from here you have to, this is in the Windows you have to double click. In the Mac you just only drag and drop on this, and you will observe that automatically this starts. Yes, here it is getting ready. So the Python these days is very important for the programming, because a lot of things are being done with the help of this Python. And now here it is copying the PyCharm to applications, and I think it's done here. So this is starting from here. Now this is opening up. In Mac, Linux, and Windows, it just works little differently, but otherwise the main features, the starting and the icons, everything is same. Just once it is downloaded and installed on your particular hardware machine, then it's working very smartly. Now this is the first I'm writing this, say, learn Python package. I make learn Python, and this package, here it is. So close this links, and here you just simply maximize this. Yes, so here it is ready. This is our folder, package is there, and then some external libraries are there, which we'll be discussing slowly along with the progress in the learning module. Now here double click on this learn Python package, and create a file. You can also click this Python file directly, and you can name it home, because home means it is just a kind of sake is from where the application begins. So this is home.py, and the first thing we'll just check that whether it's installed properly or not by just simply type here print, and then hello world, and after you can write print, then welcome to welcome to Edukrafts Learn, and then this is ready, and then you have to, you can run this application. You can click on here, run here, run, then run with the home, and then here you see on the screen this hello world and the welcome to edukraftslearn.com. So thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel. This is our first video, and then the next lesson we will learn about how to use more powerful features of the Python. Thank you very much and have a good time. Thank you very much.